Hello, in this video I will show you the location and how to remove and replace the cabin filter or the pollen filter on Toyota RAV4. The cabin filter on this car is located in the passenger compartment and it's located behind the glove box. In order to get to the cabin filter, we need to remove the glove box. That's how you remove it. You don't need to remove it completely, just bring it down. And now we have access to the cabin filter. The cabin filter is located behind this white cover, which we need to pull out. There's a tab on it which we need to push and pull out, and that's the cabin filter right there. Now we're going to remove the cabin filter and replace it with a new one. And now we're going to put the new cabin filter on the car and close the glove box. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.